Hi guys, Pete Gonzales here, and today I'll be showing you how to protect your underbody and your wheel wells from the elements and rust by using Rust-Oleum professional grade undercoating spray. Rust-Oleum is the #1 selling brand in undercoating due to its trusted, durable, and flexible formula. This video will show you how easy it is to protect your vehicle from the rust and the elements in just a few simple steps. Let's do this. To get started, we jacked up the vehicle and removed the tires. We also masked up any area we do not want to get any overspray on. We also need to make sure that the surface is completely clean from any rust, oil, or grease, and also make sure that the surface is completely dry before any application. For best application, you want to make sure you work in a steady back and forth motion, keeping about 12 to 16 inches from the surface, and always making sure you do a slight overlap on each pass. And that's it. After a quick spray, you too can have your wheel wells and undercarriage protected from the rust and elements, and you're ready to hit the road. For more information, visit RustOleum.com. Till next time.